Hello everyone, welcome to Workstatus. In this video, we are going to share information of how to import the apps inside the Workstatus. For that, you have to log into your admin account and you have to come up to the settings from the side navigation bar. Under the import and integration, there you can see import apps. Click on that. You can click on the add import option where you can see that the project management applications that we have integrated with Workstatus, that you can have import the amount of data with respect to the project, tasks and their comments, and you can sync Workstatus with these apps. The apps are Zoho, Trello, ClickUp, Teamwork, Basecamp and Jira. In order to integrate it with Workstatus, just click up on the Zoho, for example. Here you can give up the Zoho client ID, secret key and the redirection URL. Once this is done, click on Next. You can integrate the Zoho project with the Workstatus project. You can click on the drop down and list out the project that you wish to integrate with. For example, I'm choosing this. Click on import. Once you do this, all the tasks, the projects and the comments in the respective tasks will be imported and linked with this specific project of Workstatus of the Zoho. So this is how the integration is done. You go back and you will be seeing that these many list of the import apps we have integrated with this specific account, and this is how the listing looks like. It gives you the what was the last sync time and the date. Along with it, it gives you the status whether it is still enabled or disabled. To have it reintegrate, click on this three dot and click on reauthenticate. You can click on remove option to have this removed, this app removed, this integration of the Workstatus removed from the listing of yours. So this is all about the import apps with us. Thank you.